Hey everyone, this is Stephen from K9 Security. Recently, AWS announced that you can assign multiple multi-factor authentication devices to your IAM users and to your root user. So this is something that I've always been kind of hesitant to use, especially a hardware token with my root user. Because what if I lose it, and fixing that is a problem. So now AWS has solved that. You can assign multiple MFA devices. Share this link later, but I want to show you today how to set it up. So I've logged into an AWS account I have. This happens to be the management account of a test organization that we have. And I'm going to set the root user's second MFA device. So let's do that now. After logging in, you go to Security Credentials, hit Multi-Factor Authentication. Now, what you'll see is I have a device here. And now, interestingly, I don't have a button to activate another MFA device. And that's exactly what the blog post talks about. I'm going to hit Shift Reload and see if it comes up. Oh, boom. Look at that. Okay, now let's activate the MFA. All right, we're going to call this blue UB3 because I'm accumulating devices. And we'll hit continue. Okay. The UV key is in my computer. So enter the PIN, touch the security key, allow, boom, setup complete. Awesome. Now I have two security keys. The hardware one I just added. It's got a nice name here, Blue UB3. And then I have the authenticator option from my phone. So this is great. I'm excited about this. Okay, what happens if your MFA devices are lost or stopped working? So AWS has a mechanism to recover access to your root user. And basically what you do is you try to sign in with the root user. And you enter your password. And then there'll be a prompt or a question that says, are you having problems with your authentication devices? And so if you are, you can authenticate your account by having them send a verification email to your root user. And you'll receive an email there shortly. And then you'll need to have them, AWS support, call you, and there'll be a call me now button or link. And then when you answer the call, you need to enter a 6-digit number from the AWS that's going to show up on the AWS website after you request that call. So hopefully that allays your fears as to whether or not you should enable multi-factor authentication on your root user. Now that I have two devices and I know how to recover the account if those both fail, I'm pretty happy with the setup. So hope this helps, and hope you go fast safely. Take care.